welcome to the model building series here on Tandem C Television.
Welcome back to the Workbench, where we are continuing the 10,000 subscribers celebration. And again, I just want to start off with a big thank you to all of you out there. This is really cool. Just a really cool thing. Never thought I'd make 10,000 subscribers, so I really do appreciate it. And a quick reminder, leave your comments down below for the 10,000 subscriber celebration build, the one that you could end up with, and we'll have your name attached to it and all that good stuff. Go check yesterday's video if you don't know exactly what I'm talking about. But keep those ideas coming down below. I've got some good ones already. I'll be picking out a few for Friday where you guys will vote for the winner, so keep that in mind. We'll have another giveaway at the end of this episode, and then of course we'll have a giveaway at the end of Wednesdays and a giveaway at the end of Thursdays, of which we will be selecting 4 different winners. Well, we'll be selecting 3 different winners and voting on a winner on Friday. Anyways, let's get into today's celebration, which what I thought would be fun. Yesterday we looked back at the first completed build on the channel. Today what I thought we would do is look at the first build on the channel. Notice I didn't say completed, because in the tradition of Tandem C Television, where a lot of things just don't get finished, the very first build is one of them started the tradition. So there was one episode of me building the Ferrari, what is it? Actually, I have it over here. The F2001 Ferrari from Tamiya, the 20th scale. I'm not going to make you watch the whole video because it's pretty bad, but I thought we'd watch it just enough of it to give ourselves a little chuckle.
Hello and welcome to the model building series here on Tandem C Television. This series, or series 1, this is the first series I'm going to do on this, but on this series we're going to look at building the Ferrari F2001 F1 car. I'm going to build it like Schumacher's car. Here's the cockpit fully assembled, painted, glued up. Let me make sure, hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. Also the steering wheel. Step 2 is complete. You can see you painted the body and then installed the seat shell inside the body. Now this is the paint that I'm using. It's the Tamiya spray can paint. Body paint is TS49. Well, that finishes step 3 and 4, and I even went into kind of step 5 where I went ahead and glued up the air intakes on the side. With this step, definitely you're going to have some detailed painting. As you can see, there's some real kind of detailed painting on this freshly painted body, so it's going to be very intimidating. And again, I just want to say, check the description down below for all the paints and the materials that I'm using for this, so you can see it for yourself and can possibly help you out in the future with any of the models you're trying to build. And again, I appreciate it, and I'll see you soon.
So there you go. This right here, I actually have it on hand. In fact, it was just kind of sitting right over there. It wasn't very far away. It's always just there lurking to be finished, for that part 2 to finally come out. By the way, that was from years ago. And for me, it's almost become, I don't know, almost a meme that part 2 has never come around. But I do still actually have it. And look, I mean, I've kept it nice and boxed, and here's what we were able to get done in part 1. So it is here. I've always threatened to actually continue with part 2. Hopefully the production quality will be a little better. Probably even the model build quality will be a little better. But that is the first build of any sort from the channel. Was the Ferrari F2001. You can tell it's come a long ways, I think. I hope what we're doing here now is a little higher quality than back then, but you start somewhere, and it was actually a lot of fun. So anyways, that brings us to I thought we would talk about today's giveaway. And what I've got for you guys, I think this time, which I think will be pretty cool, is I've got a kind of a full package of CA glue. So this is Starbond CA glue. Starbond has been with the channel for a long time. I've got some stuff going on in the background with them right now that'll be coming soon that I'll be able to tell you about soon. But the point being is Starbond has been with the channel a long time. And they actually make I don't promote this lightly. They make very good CA glue. And I've got a bunch of it here. So I've got a thing of accelerator. I've got some of their, I think this is new. It's a flexible CA glue, which I thought was kind of cool that I'm going to throw into this giveaway. I've got some thin CA glue. They're just regular CA glue, the thin viscosity. And then I've got some of the super glue remover also. So if this is something you'd be interested in, just leave me a comment down below. Just throw Starbond CA glue down there, just Starbond. That's fine. Just down in the comment section. Again, I don't care if you're a subscriber. I don't care if you like the video. I don't care about any of that stuff. Just, I got to know that you want it. So hit Starbond or type in Starbond down in the comment section. And then we'll do a drawing on Friday, kind of the end of this celebration. We'll do a drawing to see who gets the Starbond glue. And if before I ship it out, if I can get any more, I think I might reach out to them and say, hey, can I get some for this giveaway? Which I probably could. If I can get some more for you, I'll just throw what I can in here. And I might have some other stuff around. I gotta search. I was trying to get what I have that hasn't been. Basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search the the workshop here, and what I have that hasn't been opened, I'm gonna throw it into a little Starbond pack for you, and it'll be going your way. But if that's something, if you want some good CA glue, Starbond down below. If everybody else wants some good Starbond CA glue, hit down the description down below. I can't remember to put it down there, but down in the description below, I can give you a 10% discount code. I think it's TCTV10, and there'll be a link down there where you can get some good CA glue, some Starbond CA glue. But I thought it'd be fun. One, because they've been with the channel for a long time and have supported me so well from a glue standpoint, that I thought it'd be fun to do part of the giveaway. You know, two birds, one stone giveaway, and get to call out one of the biggest supporters of the channel, which is Starbond CA glue. Anyway, so if that's something you want, don't forget Starbond down in the description. And please don't forget down in the description, leave me those ideas for the 10,000 subscriber celebration giveaway build. Again, just real briefly, the build will be yours. It can be of anything, so it can be car, craft, you know, what do you call them? Whatever, a starship, an airplane, whatever you think would be best for the channel. And your name can, if you have a YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, I'll attach your name to it for a little promotion, just, you know, a little extra for winning the best. But what we'll do is those will be selected on Friday. Also, I'll put a vote out. I'm going to pick 3 or 5 or so of my favorite, and then you guys will vote. And then that'll be the celebration build. And again, it'll kind of give you a little bit of promotion. But anyways, make sure and leave those down in the comments. Also, if you would, if you're enjoying the celebration, go ahead and be subscriber 10,001, I suppose. Hit that subscribe button, the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button, hit the hype button, hit all those, do all that stuff everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got to scrounge around here and see if I can find any more CA glue to throw in this package. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.